Hello everyone. Today I will discuss from chemistry 10 question from the chapter electrochemistry. So let's start with the first question. The standard electrode potential values of Al3 plus, Ag positive, K plus and Cr3 plus given. We have to find out the decreasing order of the reducing power. First discuss with the question. I will discuss with the key point. First, we discuss with the key point that the reducing power is inversely proportional to the standard reduction potential. That means least the value of standard reduction potential, higher is the reducing power. Here, the least value is from, you have seen that the potassium have highest least value. So from this question, potassium will come. So these two option will eliminate. From B and C, the next will come Al. Here also Al is given. But after Al, you can see the least value uh, is for chromium, which is minus 0.74. So the option B is correct. So option B is correct. And after, I will go to question number 2. The question number 2 says that standard electrode potential of three metals X, Y, and Z are given. The reducing power of this metal will be. So as I have told in question number 1, that reducing power is inversely proportional to the standard reduction potential. That means least the value of standard reduction potential, higher is the reducing power. Here, the least value is for minus 3.0 is for Z. So the Z will come first. The option number C is correct. So I will go to question number 3. That is, a solution of aluminium chloride is electrolyzed for 30 minutes using a current of 2 ampere. The amount of aluminium deposited at the cathode is given molar mass of aluminium 27 gram per mole, chlorine 35.5 gram per mole, and Faraday constant 9650 coulomb per mole. The question is came in JEE Mains 2025. So let's start with the question. uh, at cathode, we know at cathode reduction takes place. So aluminium 3 positive changes to aluminium. Here the valency factor is 3. So according to Faraday first law, equivalent weight of aluminium is equal to Q by 96500. So equivalent, we can write equivalent weight moles into valency factor, and we can write Q is equal to Q. We can write Q I into T. Write Q as I into T. So moles is equal to given mass by molar mass into molar mass, given mass by molar mass. The molar mass of aluminium is 27, and valency factor we have find out 3, and I is given in the question 2 ampere, and here we have seen that and the question have given, in the question given that time is 30 minutes. So 30 into 60, because we have to convert it into seconds, so multiply with 60. And so from, by calculating this value, we get 0.336 gram, which is option number C is correct. So now we move to the next question, which is question number 4. For a closed circuit Daniell cell, which of the following plot is accurate one at a given time? It is came in the 2026 JEE Mains. So the option from here, C is correct. C 3 is correct. As the E0 cell does not changes as time passes. So now move to the next question, which is question number 5. Match the coulomb. Came in JEE Mains 2024. We know this match with Lenki cell question with option 4. Nickel cadmium cell, rechargeable fuel cell, converts energy of combustion into electrical energy, and mercury cell does not involve any ion in solution and is used in hearing aids. Let's start with the question number 6. The equivalent conductance of M by 32 solution of weak monobasic acid is 8 mole centimeter square and at infinite dilution is 400 mole centimeter square. The dissociation constant of this acid is came in NEET 2027. So here in the question it is given that lambda 8 mole centimeter square and lambda infinity. It is infinite dilution 400 centimeter square. We have to find the dissociation constant of this acid. No? So first we have to find out the alpha, which is lambda by lambda infinity. This is given 8 by calculator. We have value 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. We know the dissociation constant of acid is K is equal to C alpha square. So K is equal to C have given in the question M by 32, 1 by 32 into put the value of alpha which we have calculated is and here answer 1.25 into 21. So now move to the next question, question number 7. The, the limiting molar conductivity of NH4OH, NEET 2012. So the answer of this option number D. Now move to question number 8. To protect iron against corrosion, the most durable metal plating is zinc plating. Now move to question number 9. A 5 ampere current is passed through a solution of zinc sulfate for 40 minutes. The amount of zinc deposited at the cathode is 1996. Question at cathode, we know that reduction takes place. So Z2 plus is converted to Zn. So we have to find the amount. We know W is equal to Z into I into T. So in equivalent weight, we know the zinc is 65.5, 65.39 by 2 into 365. Current is given 5 in the question and time is 40 minutes. We have to convert into second. We have multiplied with 60. So 40 into 60 we have 4.065 gram of zinc. That is the option number B is correct. Now let's move to the question number 10. That is a device that converts energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen and methane directly into electrical energy is known as fuel cell. So thank you for watching and follow for more such questions.